Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll cover buyer personalization on Shopify and how your customers can personalize their piece right on your product page. Personalization is the heart of what we do. A name, a date, a birthstone, a short message. These are the details that make a customer say, "This was made for me." And on Shopify, we've made it effortless. It all starts with one click. Head to the store section and open the store you want to activate. Right at the top, you'll see a button, Enable Personalization. Click it, and your Shopify theme editor opens with the Ownprint personalization block already in place. All you do is press Save. That's it. From now on, every product you import will automatically show personalization options to your buyers right on the product page. Let's look at what they'll see. Instead of plain dropdowns, your buyers get a real experience. They choose their plating from elegant metal swatches, gold, rose gold, or silver. They pick their birthstone from a grid of 12 gemstone photos, and their choice lights up in the color of the stone. For the back engraving, there's a simple checkbox. The moment they tick yes, a text box appears asking what they'd like engraved, with the extra cost shown right next to it and the price updating live. And here's the best part. You don't have to build any of this. When you create a product, Ownprint sets these fields up for you automatically. Of course, you're always in control. In the personalization step of the product editor, you can fine-tune each field, change the title, add instructions, or set a character limit. And if your design requires more information from your customers, you can always add your own fields. A text box for written details like a name or a quote. A list of options, perfect for font styles. Or a file upload so buyers can send a photo, perfect for portrait or pet designs. The more your product can be personalized, the more it feels made just for them. Once your buyer places the order, every detail syncs to your order automatically, clear, organized, and ready. From there, our team takes care of everything, preparing the personalization and getting the design ready for engraving. So you can focus on creating and selling while we bring each piece to life exactly as your customer imagined.